Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Box. So today we are going to start a new coding course on Scratch MIT. Before moving to this session, let me ask you a riddle question. The question is, what is an object that has a lot of keys but cannot unlock anything? You can comment your answer on the comment box. Before moving to this session, let me tell you what is coding. Do you know what is coding? Coding means giving instructions to the computer in a language in which the computer understands. Just like you obey your mama's command or how your pet dog obey your command, in the same way computer obeys our command. And today we are going to do coding in a platform called Scratch MIT. To take Scratch, you have to go to Google. I hope my screen is visible to you. So in Google, you just need to search for Scratch MIT and you have to click on the first link. You can either sign in by clicking on sign in button. As of now, I'm not going to sign in. I'm just hitting on the create button. Okay. So I'm clicking on the create button. Here we go. This is our Scratch platform. Okay. You can see our one video pop up over there. You can just close it. And in Scratch, we follow block-based coding. Block-based coding means here you can do coding just like dragging and dropping blocks of code. Drag and drop blocks of code like this, okay? And just like you solve jigsaw-like puzzle, we can do and learn coding. Okay, first of all, I want to teach you about this cat over here. It is like Tom, right? A cartoon character, cat. And just like this cartoon character, cat, we have lot of cartoon character here in our Scratch. And that what we call it as sprite. Okay, what is that? Sprite. So to add a new sprite, where you have to go is you have to click on, yeah, you have to click on the right bottom. You can see a cat head like icon, right? So if you click on there, you can see one Scratch Sprite library is opened up. And you can choose your favorite character. As of now, I'm choosing my favorite character. I like this dog very much. Okay. Now I have a dog and I have a cat. But I don't need cat. So let's delete that cat. To delete that cat, you have to click on the trash delete icon. Okay. It is asking, are you sure you want to delete the sprite? Yes, I need. Now you can see that sprite is gone. Cat is gone. Okay. Now, I want to add a background for the dog. To add a background, you have to go to the backdrop where you can see over here near to that cat head like icon. You can see one photo like icon over there. You have to click on there. Okay. So if I click on there, you can see Lord, just like that sprite library, we have backdrop library. So for the cat, we can choose this colorful city because that suit well for this dog. Sorry, dog. For the dog, we can choose that colorful city. Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I want to make the dog to move. So to make, that's what is my plan. So to do any project, before begin with any project, you have to put a block in the event block. Okay, you have to click on the yellow color events. There we have one when green flag click the block. This means when you click on the green flag over here, the project is going to start. Okay, so green flag is means start the code. Just like when you see green signal on traffic light, you will start your driving, right? Yeah, just like that, green flag means start the programming. Okay, now I want to make the dog to move. How to make the dog to move? To make the dog to move, you have to go to motion. There you have a move block. All right, so let's see. Here we go. Yeah, the dog moved, right? But to do the things again and again, we have to click on green flag all the time. which is very difficult, right? Always clicking on the green flag. I want that dog to move continuously forever. So to make the dog to move continuously forever, you have to go to control. There we have a block called the forever block. Okay. I want to enclose the move block inside the forever. And if I click on green flag, oh my God, now what happened? The dog moves out of the screen, right? It is not coming back, correct? I want that dog to come back and move again and go. I want that dog to move left and right, okay? So to do that, I want to go to motion again. There you have a block called if on edge bounce. So I'm putting it over there. Okay, here we go. Okay, now the dog moved left and right, but it is going upside down, right? How can a dog go upside down? Moved upside down. That we need to fix, right? So let me stop. Let's fix that. So to fix that, I have to use the set rotation style left and right. I am asking the dog, hey dog, don't go upside down, only move left and right. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Hey, now we made a move dog to move, right? So I want the dog not only so now you if you notice you can see the dog is moving just like a robot, isn't it? So I want that dog to move like a real dog so that so that I can feel it is just like a real dog. For that, I'm using the next costume. Okay, I'm taking green flag again. Why? Because it want to run parallelly. So yeah, I want to change the costume forever. So here in the costume, you can see different costume. If you put next costume, it will switch between these costume like A, B, C, A, B, C. It will switch like that. Okay. If I click on green flag, the dog is moving, but like a crazy dog, right? It is switching the costume. Okay. We can make it slow down by adding weight block. I'm changing the weight block for 0.3 second. Here we go. Yeah, now the dog is somewhat moving like a real dog, right? All right. So if you want to see it in full screen, you can click on here in the full screen option over here. All right. Now we made a dog to move. In the coming class, we can learn how to make a sprite to fly, dance, move, anything. Okay, not only that, I will also teach you how to make a basic to advanced game, how to make animations, etc. So see you in the next video. Bye bye for today.